guys, what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat, air signs? So this is gonna be your general reading for the week, what to expect during the week, okay? On the week, December 8 to 14. Tingnan lang natin guys kung kamusta ba kayo during the week, ano mga possible scenarios or situations ang ma-encounter nyo for the week. This is just a general reading guys, so only take what resonates, leave the rest. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell na rin po para po tayo ay updated sa ating mga new uploads regarding your horoscopes and zodiac signs. Okay? Okay, so let's see. Gamit tayo ng old style Lenormand para magkaroon tayo ng gabay kung ano mga possible scenarios or situations ang ma-encounter nyo. Okay. One shuffle na lang. Okay. So, let's see. Air signs around the week, December 8 to 14. Ang meron. We have your clouds. So, I believe clouds is kinda like parang bagay na susubukin ka eh. Or bagay na... So, these are like unexpected events. The kinda like negative. Something na guguluhin yung isang bagay na naka-laid out na or nakaplano na or nakaset na, kaso bigla siya magugulo, and you may even kind of like because the card it warns about troubles, illness, or mga events na gusto mong iwasan sana or you don't want to happen. Okay, so this week may require some patience, some resilience from you guys. Okay, so maaring may marinig na balita. Number 6 talks about mutual give and take. So maaring about pagbibigay. Maaring may ine-expect ka na mangyari about give and take. Maaring pera. Okay. What about what can they expect for the week? Also have here a man, Ace of Hearts. So maaring may isang specific man na related sa inyong week. Okay, number 28, round mo yan. 2 plus 8 is number 1. Maaring main person mo ito na may brown hair, black hair. Okay, some of you age could be, this doesn't have to parang resonate sa lahat ha. The age could be somehow around 30 to 50s. Just for some of you. You also have here lilies. Okay, spiritual growth and stars. Okay. Okay, so lilies talks about experience, maturity, wisdom, honor, and purity. Okay. So this card talks about prosperity through right actions. Okay. So pinartner option ng star card. Okay, so this combination talks about parang success naman eventually through right actions and right parang behaviors. Okay, so the star card, so this card talks about success, but it also talks about parang carefully assessing your actions para magkaroon ka ng tagumpay sa pagkamit ng mga pangarap mo. Maring may isang taong nasa authority ang nagpapahirap sa'yo. So there. So just take it as it resonates na lang po, no? So bottom of the deck ko is snake. So maaari talagang merong isang deceptive na person na nagkakos ng struggle sa inyo. Okay, so let's take a look naman about what else can you expect for the week. So what can Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius expect for the week? Page of Pentacles, maaring may bago kasimula na work, hobby or a venture that will require you to either plan for it, study it, perfect it. Okay. Some of you, this could be about training. 5 of Pentacles, I think you will come out of the situation na parang may stagnation and poverty. Okay. Why is it the 5 of Pentacles? I think there is a certain masculine energy here that's kind of like parang, what is the King of Cups? Ace of Swords. I think you will hear a news regarding dun sa situation na gusto mo, regarding dun sa bagay na I don't know kung ina-expect mo na ito. What is the news all about? 7 of Pentacles, na may bagay na either mamumove or hindi mo makukuha for now. Okay? Something na gusto mo sanang makuha, something na gusto mong like parang a lifetime commitment na gusto mong makuha. Parang gusto mong mag-commit sa bagay na ito. Ano pa ba? Yeah, I think you will experience some kind of loss or disappointment over something na in-expect mo. Knight of Wands and the 5 of Cups. 5 of Cups talks about grief, loss, missed opportunities. So, maaaring may changes ka talagang ma-encounter regarding sa bagay na gusto mo ng collaboration. Yeah, so katulad ng sinasabi ko, meron kang isang bagay na maaaring maka-experience ka ng pain, disappointment, loss of opportunity. I think possible kasi na merong gumagawa sa'yo nito. Possible fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sag, or a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio na I don't know kung gustong kumuha ng mga opportunities mo, gusto niya hindi matuloy yung mga opportunities mo. What else for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius around the week? Wheel of Fortune. I'm seeing you leaving something behind. Okay. Okay, the Sun card regarding a positive news. I think meron magbabago, something na nakasulat na sana, nakakontract na related sana sa good news. What is the Emperor card all about? The Moon card. So, magkakaroon dito ng parang a period of parang di in-expect. May na marireveal sa'yo that may cause some sadness or pain, worries, anxiety sa'yo. What is the Sun card? 8 of Cups. Yeah, I'm seeing you walking away from something na possibly is not serving you anymore. Something na malulungkot ka. Okay? Something na talaga madidisappoint ka. Or something to na opportunity na wala sa'yo. Okay? Na maaring magkaroon ka na lang ng ibang opportunity. Okay? At mapunta sa iba yung opportunity na yon. Okay. Yeah, possible kasi merong deception na involved dito. Merong isang tao na nagloloko or talagang sadyang gumagawa sa'yo or maaaring may nagnakaw ng opportunity mo. Okay. Possible Gemini, Libra, Aquarius as well. Possible to na gusto niyang tangayin yung stability ng buhay mo. Okay. Ano pa? Ano pa ang dapat niyong malaman? You have here the 8 of Swords. Eight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So, magkakaroon ka ata ng parang sense na parang feeling mo hindi mo makuha yung bagay na gusto mo. Okay, I don't know kung manghihinayang ka talaga doon sa bagay na wala sa'yo related sa possibly finances mo or something na makakatulong sa bahay. Devil card energy, there is a specific someone ako nakikita na nagkakos ng trouble sa'yo. Okay, what is this person's doing? What is this person doing? Three of Pentacles, maano nakikipag-collaborate sa iba regarding you para, I don't know, para maiba yung outcome ng buhay mo. The messages are just kinda like repetitive. Okay, yeah, para pabagalin yung takbo ng buhay mo, para bumagal ang stability ng buhay mo. Okay? Para hindi mo makuha yung mga gusto mo. Okay? What is this person's purpose? Nine of Pentacles. Maybe siguro masyado kang stable on your own. Maaaring nakikita nila na nagfa-flourish ka on your own or makinang ka or may nakakaingit sa'yo. Parang feeling ko kinaiingitan ka nito eh. So, ang tendency niya, pabagalin yung takbo ng stability mo. And also, parang anong tawag doon? Yung parang sabotahihin yung mga bagay na dapat na marireceive mo. Okay. You also have your Four of Cups and the Three of Wands. Okay, so parang there's a period here na parang ayaw mo na ng disappointment sa buhay, ayaw mo na ng mga rejection. Kaso parang wala kang choice for the week but to experience that. I'm seeing burden and betrayal for you. This is not a good reading, guys. Meron talagang specific person na gusto mag-dim ng light nyo or gustong magbigay ng burden sa inyo, okay? Could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Bagay na parang gusto nila sila yung umangat, sila yung makakuha ng meron ka. Okay, last messages for air signs. Temperance card could be a Sagittarius. Maitatama tong situation mo na to, no? Okay. Maybe some of you yung news na hinihintay nyo regarding a foreign travel. So, maaaring mawalan ka talaga ng opportunity. Yun lang ang nakikita ko dito. Maybe regarding contracts or about a job. Kasi parang feeling ko, nagdadasal din tong tao na to ng downfall mo. Okay? Or parang, siguro nare-reklamo ko ng person na to na masama ang tao or parang may ginagawa kang mali or parang meron kang, you're a pain in the ass. So, talaga ang tendency ng tao na to, could be a Sagittarius or a Gemini, na parang sila na lang makareceive ng mga bagay-bagay na meant mong ma-receive and huwag ka makareceive. Parang ganun. Okay, last two cards. King of Pentacles. I don't know if your finances. Just continue to work on your finances, okay? I think this person, whoever this is, will just continue to be your pain in the ass, okay? Sakit sa ulo mo. Continuously. Anong best na gawin dito ni air sign? Balance mo yung situation mo. Maging balance ka, maging grounded ka. Also, anong best gawin dito ni air sign? Maybe seek a higher person. Seek a higher kind of individual. Puro major arcana ito. Maybe you need to seek a different, like, mas expert na person para ma-address yung tao na to. Maybe a support, maybe someone na may expertise para tumigil tong tao na to or para malaman mo kung paano yung gagawin mo dito sa tao na to. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, please. The kind of reading is kind of negative, but I hope that you got enlightened pa rin somehow. Thank you so much for availing the reading or for listening to your reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe, and see you on our next readings, guys. Bye!